Yeah, guys, Cape Town is stormy, wind is blowing, rain is everywhere. You know, this trip, I'm not a drinker. I felt like taking a shot. I've been swearing the whole morning. I mean, all my lights is on. The lights in the vehicle is on. I know on a cold day people want to sleep a little bit late. Sleep late, people. Phone work and tell them you're going to be a little bit late and that is it. Don't kill yourself. On this day is the most accidents because people sleep late and now they realize they have to rush to get to work to be on time. Your work is not going to determine your life, people. What is more important is your own life. I literally had to this morning hood a guy down. Hood him literally down. You would have hit us in the middle of this van. Yo, you know, ne? That games that you play that is like battleships and whatever. If you don't shoot them first, they will kill you and shoot you, ne? It was like that this morning. Every car, mostly on my route, I had to dodge. Lucky my hooter is loud to hoot for them. I'm stressed the fuck out, people. I'm now so bloody hungry. I don't know what to do. I'm sure, people. This was the most stressful journey that I undertook this morning. Parents, you have to get yourselves ready. If you know it's gonna be a stormy day out there, please pack those lunches, put that clothes ready. Rather go earlier than later. Rather get early to work, that you're not so stressed out. Avoid accidents, right? We can't avoid life because we don't know what's going to happen. But you can go have your coffee at work. You can go sleep a little bit at work. You know what I'm saying? Right? If you're sick, then stay at home, people. Because now, like literally the whole morning, I've seen 30 years of driving. I've seen a lot of tricks, eh? But this morning, I'm telling you, hell no. What is wrong with the people? I literally had to, and you know what really creeps me up? You now maybe sitting 20 minutes in the traffic, especially here by Levendale. Then the taxis come there. They come way from the back. They don't care about you standing here for 20 odd minutes. No, they somehow want to push in now and somehow go. No, man, I think it is rudeness, man. Because we are the ones that's waiting. You somehow just want to come and go through. That's not right. And the people, for the life of me, stop streets is a white sign.